Good morning, one and all. I'm Mitachi Rathod. Take this wonderful opportunity to welcome our dear students on this auspicious occasion of International Children's Day, which is celebrated all over the world. As we all know that all the children are the bright sunshine of the society, the seed of a plant that will nurture our country's future. Children's Day is celebrated all over the world to cherish and adore the innocence of a child like you, to make you feel special on your role in the world and show you the positive side of being a child. We want that you should cherish these wonderful moments for your entire lifetime, which will ultimately fulfill our objective of sighting you as happy and content. Light is the symbol of brightness and prosperity, as sunlight expels the darkness of night. Similarly, brings in our life prosperity and happiness. To make this event blessed and invoke Goddess Saraswati blessed by kindling the lamp of knowledge and wisdom, I invite our admirable principal ma'am, Mrs. Deepika Chandel, to do the lighting of the lamp.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति.
Before we start anything, we offer prayer to Almighty God. So I would like to call Apeksha ma'am for prayer and today's thought.
Good morning all. Myself Apeksha Patel feels immensely privileged to have a pleasant task of welcoming you all. Prayers have a power to create pious atmosphere that helps to instill certain values such as humility and discipline in our life. In my life, I have learned that prayer is not a ritual but is instead a way of communication, a way of expressing ourselves to our Creator, a way of deepening our relationship to our God. Let's pray to God first before starting our event. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Good morning all. Now good and inspirational thought can spice up our day. Reading up new thought can work as a fuel. It keeps us energetic and smiling throughout the day. So today's thought is our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is just try one more time. Thank you.
Thank you, Apeksha ma'am. Now I would like to call upon our principal ma'am, Mrs. Deepika Chandel, the sculpture of human character, a seasonal scholar and navigator of this flagship of knowledge, for words of wisdom.
Good morning, children. Happy morning to you all, and happy International Children's Day to you all. Today, 20th November, is celebrated as International Children's Day. It is a day for celebration for all of you, my dear children, because you are the most precious gift to us from God. You are valued, you are important, and keep the smiling, keep your innocence as you are, be as you are, and enjoy your childhood. Be happy, be safe, and stay safe at home. Enjoy yourself, enjoy your learning, and do well in whatever you want to do. Thank you, dear children. Enjoy your day.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable words. Now I would like to call our coordinator, ma'am, Mrs. Avni Nayak, who is always very helpful and guides us so well that we are able to complete all our events successfully.
Respected principal ma'am, my teachers, dear parents and lovely children, good morning all. Myself Mrs. Avni Nayak, pre-primary coordinator. Today I am going to give PowerPoint presentation on International Children's Day. So children, listen and watch carefully.
Welcome you all to Divine International School. Happy International Children's Day to all my lovely kids. We all are missing you a lot on this auspicious day. Children are the world's most valuable resources and its best hope for the future. Means you are the future of India. You are very precious for us. Without you, we are not thinking about our school also. अगर बच्चों आपको मैगी खाना है और मम्मी मैगी में मैगी मसाला ही डालना भूल जाए तो आपको मैगी अच्छी लगेगी बच्चों? वैसे ही यू आर वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर स्कूल. You are the colorful flowers of our school. You are the color of our school. As well as you are very important for your parents also. Every country celebrates Children's Day every year. In India, we celebrate Children's Day on 14th November. Singapore, 1st October. Canada, 20th November. Germany, 1st June. United States, 20th November. Who is he, children? Tell me. He was freedom fighter. His name is Jawaharlal Nehru. After the death of Jawaharlal Nehru, his birth anniversary was celebrated by Children's Day in India. It was done so because he was very popular amongst the children. People called him Chacha Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He was also known as Pandit Nehru too. He loved all the children very much. One day he said to his friend, "These children are the future of India." So he worried about children's education only. As I said, you are the future of India. So you have to develop all the skills to fulfill your dream and goal, because India's future depend on you only. How did you celebrate your Children's Day? Maybe you ate delicious food like pizza, burger, Frankie, sandwich, nachos, or you went for the dinner in 5-star hotel. Maybe and you got gift from your big brother, sister, parent or a grandparent. But did you ever think about these children? How did they celebrate their Children's Day? यहाँ पे दिए गए तीनों पिक्चरों में छोटे छोटे बच्चे हार्डवर्क कर रहे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि उनको 2 वक्त का खाना चाहिए. आज खाना मिल गया, कल मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा वो भी उनको पता नहीं होता. आपने भी देखे होंगे ऐसे बच्चों को जो होटल में काम करते हैं और कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है वहाँ पे काम करते होंगे, है ना बच्चों? तो हमें उनको मदद करना चाहिए. सो ऑन दिस ऑस्पिशियस डे वी all wants ke you will start to help these children. How? So you celebrate your birthday on your own way. You cut cakes, distribute sweets, है ना? तो वैसे ही उसी दिन आपको इनको छोटी छोटी गिफ्ट देनी चाहिए. सो दे आर वेरी हैप्पी. बच्चों एक बात हमेशा ख्याल रखना, अगर हम किसी को हैप्पीनेस ना दे सके तो हमें किसी की हैप्पीनेस भी लेनी चाहिए नहीं. हमें किसी को गिरता हुआ देख के हंसना भी नहीं चाहिए. वी हैव टू हेल्प एवरी वन. सो वी वांट on this important day you will take one pledge. So stand on this position and repeat after me. Today, on this auspicious day, I am going to take a pledge to become a good learner and responsible citizen. I will help everyone who needs help. I will share my old clothes, shoes, books with needy children. I will respect everyone. I will listen to everyone. I will be punctual and responsible in my work. जिसे मैंने बोला है ना बच्चों, हमें सबकी मदद करनी चाहिए तब, और जब आपको किसी की मदद चाहिए तो कोई ना कोई आपको मदद करेगा ही करेगा. आपको आपके पुरानी चीज़ें इन बच्चों के साथ शेयर करनी चाहिए. हमें उनके साथ अपना खाना भी शेयर करना चाहिए. वी हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट एवरीवन. हमें सबकी बातें सुननी चाहिए. आपसे छोटे हैं कि बड़े हैं, सबकी हमें बात सुननी चाहिए. हमें हमारे सादे वर्क में पंक्चुअल बनना चाहिए. मीन्स आपको डे टू डे होमवर्क कर ही देना चाहिए और आपको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी लेनी चाहिए. यू हैव टू स्टार्ट टू डू योर वर्क बाय ओन सेल्फ. Okay children, bye bye. Thank you. Once again, International Children's Day to all.
Thank you, Avni ma'am, for your nice presentation. Ah, children, there are many surprises for you today. So, are you excited for it? Yes. Do you like puppet show? Yes. Today, all the teachers are going to perform puppet show for you all, for which I would like to invite all the teachers. So let's begin our puppet show.
Hello children, how are you all? You all have a surprise today. You all have a different food habits. Some like to eat samosa, dosa, pizza, burger, etc. And while someone love to eat salad, sabji roti, dal rice, etc. So today we are going to explain a very interesting topic on food, that is about junk food and healthy food. So let's come to our divine studio. We welcome you all to our divine studio. All the teachers going to do puppet show for you all. Here we Apeksha ma'am as a bunny, Swati ma'am as a Rohan, thin boy, Mitakshi ma'am, Shoham as a fat boy, and myself Ashma Sayyed as a lion. Thank you.
Wow, what a pleasant weather today. So many colors around everywhere. Right, Rohan? Rohan? Rohan, are you here?
Yes, Bunny, I am here.
Oh, look at you, Rohan. Ever since you have started eating healthy food, you look so good and healthy.
Thanks, Bunny. I have stopped eating junk food. You know, eating healthy food makes you strong, active, and healthy. Today we have planned to play cricket, and I am waiting for Soham. I hope Soham will join us soon.
Look, Soham is here.
Hello, Soham. How are you?
Hello Rohan. I am not so good today. When I was coming here on the playground, everyone called me fatty. Even at school, everyone made fun of me. Children call me fatty and I am so disappointed.
Oh, please, Soham, don't get upset. Together we can think of a solution. Everyone call you fatty because you are growing fat day by day. And this is not good, Soham. This is not good at all. Do you want to become as strong as a lion?
Like a lion?
Yes, like a lion. You can be strong, active and brave like a lion.
If you want to be strong, you have to stop eating junk food. As a lion.
Oh, I could not stop eating junk food. I love to eat junk food like burgers, Maggie, cakes and fries are so yummy. I could not stop eating junk food. I cannot think my meal without junk food.
So, this is why you are becoming fat? I know, Soham. You should stop eating junk food.
Junk food is so yummy, like chocolates, burgers, fries, pizza, cold drinks, cookies. They are so yummy and tasty. How can I stop them?
But healthy food is tasty too. Healthy food makes you strong. They are also very yummy, like apples, tomatoes and broccoli. Even we have to stop. We have to drink a lot of water. If you will have these types of eating habits, you will become very strong and healthy.
Really? So from today onwards, I will eat healthy food only.
Yes. So let's have a healthy meal. Soham has promised to his friend. Now he is going to eat healthy food only. As it is said, an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Kids, do you know what happens when you eat healthy food?
So friends,
Eat healthy and stay wealthy. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so you all enjoyed the puppet show, right? Okay, so it was your first surprise. Now I have second surprise for you. I would like to invite Asma ma'am for telling you an interesting story.
A very good and warm evening to everyone. Today, I, Asma Shayyad, going to tell you about short interesting story. So my lovely kids and dear parents, please listen carefully. Okay? So, the story is time is valuable. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Arjun. He was very lazy boy. He always postponed his work. His father was worried about him. One day, his father called him and told that, Arjun, you always be punctual. Never waste your time. Arjun replied that, yes, daddy, I always punctual in my work and I always do my work regularly. Then one day, all they were sitting in a living room. The telephone rang. Arjun came to know he had won the first prize in singing competition held in his school. Arjun was asked to collect the prize on the very same day. As usual, Arjun didn't care about it and he postponed his work and he went to school the next day. But prize is too late and prize was useless because of it was a ticket to a circus that was on a previous day. So that day he learned a lesson. He realized that time is very precious. Once the time is gone, then it doesn't come back. Okay? So, what is the moral of the story? Moral of the story is time is valuable. So, you should be punctual. Okay, you understand this story? Okay, kids? Bye. Have a good night. Have a great day.
Thank you, Asma ma'am, for telling us students how precious our time is. Now, students, last but not the least, Swati ma'am will perform a song for you.
Happy International Children's Day to love my lovely flowers. So today I am going to sing one song for you. हमसे भी आगे बढ़ना है, दूर जितनी भी हो मंजिल, हमसे भी ऊपर चढ़ना है, राहें जितनी भी हो मुश्किल, यही दुआएं देते रहेंगे हम सदा दिल से. हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे, हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे, हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे, हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे. कोई भी हो काम सामने, आपको आगे आना है, कल को सारा देश जान लो, आपको ही चलाना है. हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे, हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे, हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे. बात बड़ों की मानोगे तो हर मुश्किल होगी आसान, अपने सारे सपनों को तुम जी लो जी भर के. हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे, हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे, हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे to my lovely flower. Thank you.
Thank you, Swati ma'am, for your melodious song. Now I request Avni ma'am for the vote of thanks.
I get this opportunity to say thank you to all on behalf of Divine International School. Especially thank you to our honorable respected principal ma'am, because she always with us like our backbone. I would like to say thank you to all my teachers, because they are accepting new challenges for our learners. I want to say thank you to Manisha for technical work. I would like to say thank you to all my parents, because continuously we are getting support for the development of our learners. I want to say thank you to all my lovely kids, because they are attending this event and they completed their all work given by teacher. Thank you all for precious and valuable time.